What if I told you most AI side hustle advice is lying to you, and the one strategy that actually works? They're definitely not telling you that. Look, the year is 2026. AI isn't some futuristic dream. It's here, and it's already changing how we make money. But the shiny promises of passive income with AI you see everywhere? Mostly BS. Today, we're cutting through the hype. I'm going to show you the real AI side hustles that are actually profitable, and more importantly, what the gurus won't tell you. This is for you if you're tired of chasing trends, if you've tried those easy AI gigs and ended up with nothing but wasted time. By the end of this, you'll have a crystal clear roadmap to leveraging AI for actual income, not just chasing shiny objects. Section 1, the easy money myth. The biggest lie? That AI tools do all the work. They don't. They're tools, like a hammer. You can build a house or hit your thumb. Relying solely on AI without skill or strategy is like asking a hammer to build a house for you. It won't happen. Here's the deal. The gurus sell you courses on prompts. Great. But what happens when the AI doesn't give you what you need? Or worse, when the market gets flooded with AI-generated content that's generic and useless? You're left with a prompt and zero income. The real value isn't in using AI, it's in directing it with expertise. Think about it. Anyone can type, "Write a blog post about dogs" into ChatGPT. But can they edit it for SEO, add a unique human voice, fact-check it, and format it for a specific platform? That's the skill. And that's where the money is. The AI is the assistant, you are the strategist. Now, let's talk about where this strategy actually pays off. Section 2, AI-powered service arbitrage. This is where it gets juicy. Forget creating your own digital product from scratch. Instead, focus on services that businesses desperately need and use AI to deliver them faster and cheaper than your competition. Think AI-assisted copywriting, social media management, or even basic graphic design. Here's the secret. You don't need to be a master copywriter. You need to be a master editor and strategist. Use AI to generate drafts, outlines, and ideas. Then inject your own expertise, your unique style, and your understanding of the client's needs. You're selling a result, not just AI output. Why does this work? Because businesses are overwhelmed. They need content, they need marketing, but they don't have the time or the in-house expertise. You can offer them a package. AI accelerated blog content creation, or AI enhanced social media growth. You're selling efficiency and expertise amplified by AI. But wait, before we dive into the next game-changing area, what's the biggest hurdle you face when trying to make money online? Seriously, drop it in the comments below. Your biggest challenge. Let's talk about it. Section 3. Niche down with AI expertise. The gurus say, be a generalist AI expert. Wrong. The real money is in specializing. Pick a niche, say AI-powered marketing for local dentists, or AI-driven content creation for indie game developers. Become the go-to person in that specific area. When you niche down, you can command higher prices because you're not just offering a generic AI service, you're offering a tailored solution. You understand the unique pain points and language of that industry. AI helps you execute efficiently, but your niche knowledge is what makes you indispensable. Think about it. Would you rather hire a generic AI guy or someone who specializes in using AI to help your specific type of business grow? Exactly. This specialization is what the gurus gloss over because it requires more effort than just teaching basic prompts. Now, the final piece of the puzzle is something most people completely miss, and it's the key to long-term success. Section 4. the AI tool and process integrator. This is the future. Businesses don't just need one AI tool, they need a workflow. They need someone who can understand their overall business process and integrate various AI tools to optimize it. This is high-level consulting made accessible with AI. Imagine a client needs to streamline their customer support. You could integrate an AI chatbot for initial queries, an AI summarizer for support tickets, and an AI sentiment analyzer to track customer satisfaction. You're not just using one tool, you're building an AI-powered system. This requires understanding business needs and how different AI tools fit together. This is where the real money is in 2026 and beyond. It's not about knowing every single AI tool. It's about understanding business problems and architecting solutions using the best AI tools available. It requires strategic thinking, problem solving, and continuous learning. Skills that AI can't replicate, but it can amplify. So, to recap, ditch the easy AI money myth. Focus on AI-assisted services, niche down hard, and aim to become an AI process integrator. These aren't overnight riches schemes. They are sustainable, valuable skills that leverage AI's power. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button. It tells me you want more real talk like this. And subscribe if you haven't already. We're deep diving into practical AI strategies every week. What AI side hustle are you going to try first after watching this? Let me know in the comments. Now, if you want to see exactly how to land your first AI-assisted client, let me know in the comment section. I'll break down the exact outreach strategy. You don't want to miss it.